Hello everyone, welcome to Thinking Awareness. OpenAI is a company that conducts research and applications to discover how to build AGI and how to responsibly deploy it to the world for maximum benefit. On the other hand, artificial intelligence is aimed at scientific development, simplifying work for increased productivity, curing diseases, etc. And on the other hand, there are various risks that are currently being tried to overcome. ChatGPT and OpenAI are similar at first glance, but OpenAI is more inclined in the search for AGI. ChatGPT is a neural network that has been trained on large amounts of big supercomputer data, and its goal is to predict the next word in a sentence. The larger the model and the data it is trained on, the more its power and performance increase so that it can be more helpful. And as more people invest in its performance and security, AI will become more reliable and secure over time. Meanwhile, AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, is an artificial intelligence that has human-like abilities, which can recognize and learn everything around it, then solve various problems based on the learning it has done. In short, AGI is the best version of AI. According to Sam Altman, why do we need AI? Because AI can be an amazing technology that has many benefits, such as helping us to make it easier to learn what we want, giving health advice, making it easier for us to find solutions to various new problems, making every profession easier to work in, etc. Many people think of AI as a threat in the future, some of which include the authenticity of videos, statements and such related to important statements that can affect many people, and many jobs will be eliminated due to AI. Sam Altman responded to these issues. Every technological evolution will have job changes, and this is no exception. Historically, job changes are not a problem. From generation to generation, people will adapt to these changes. Some jobs will disappear, but they will be replaced with new jobs. For example, prompt engineers are responsible for designing and creating prompts that are used to train machine learning models, such as chatbots, language translation models, and image recognition models. AI will not be what many people predict. Current AI systems are only good at performing the tasks assigned to them, not very good at performing all jobs. Also, the idea of developing AI is not to replace jobs, but to help humans to do their work more efficiently and quickly. For the authenticity of videos, statements, and the like that relate to important statements that can affect many people, Sam Altman thinks that people can recognize and adapt to this. Just like when Photoshop was launched, people could tell which images were edited and which were real. Providing digital signatures, cryptography, and the like can also be applied in this regard. Before releasing new systems, OpenAI conducts extensive testing involving external experts and independent audits to improve model behavior, and also implement robust safety and monitoring systems. OpenAI has a team to regulate OpenAI so that it is not misused, such as giving users information on how to make bombs, and these rules are made by the community represented by the government or international institutions to make rules on what the system can do and what it cannot. What Sam Altman is worried about is if AI is developed by other parties and does not make rules and other things that should be so that it can be misused. What about user privacy? One of the steps that OpenAI takes in maintaining user privacy is not training the data submitted to the API. So if users enter their untrained data in the system, then the system will only store it for 30 days and then delete it. Then if users use GPT chat, users can opt out so that user data is not trained. Users can also delete conversation history and delete accounts. What about the threat of AI taking over the world or killing humans? Sam Altman reiterated that for the current system, GPT-4 chat does not pose a dangerous risk to the world. But GPT-10 could have that risk, but it's already the focus of OpenAI to address that risk, working to harmonize AGI and make the system safe. What Sam Altman is more concerned about than these impacts is not to be too dependent and trust AI completely without checking the information, because AI may not be completely correct. It is feared that if users do not check and have a fully trusting understanding of the information provided by AI, there will be misinformation that can cause manipulation of understanding, chaos, and many more. Finally, to close this video, there is a suggestion given by Sam Altman that if people are immediately given the best GPT chat model without trying the previous GPT chat model, people will not be able to handle it. People must be familiar with using AI in order to make good use of it, and know how to deal with negative impacts and find solutions to these negative impacts.